David today, MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. We are almost into March here. Just arrived, 2022 19 SPX. Quantum blue, 3-step gel coat. So 1, 2, 3. Water sports tower, painted trailer, dual axle, brakes on both wheels. Sea deck on the swim platform. 150 Mercury outboard. This is the largest engine you can put on the boat. The other option would be a 115. We ordered this boat fully loaded. Let me show you some of the other options once we get up top. Okay, now we're up on the deck of the boat. As you can see underneath my feet on the back is this glue down sea deck. I mentioned that below, you can actually see it. Mercury 150, standard with hydraulic steering. Nice, easy around the docks. Of course, the ski pole right here center. Get the rope up over the engine. We have a charge port to inflate our rafts and our tubes as we're hanging out. As I come forward into the boat, we have a hatch over here with a battery switch and carry-off cooler. We loaded this boat up with dual batteries with a switch. The 19 SPX outboard is unique, and it's got a very, very large storage compartment. This is a stern drive, of course, the engine being here. Being it's an outboard, we can use all this for wakeboards, fenders, lines, tubes, what have you. There's more storage over here on the starboard side as well. We have a stone interior, which is our light gray with the darker highlights. Water sports tower with a bimini top above my head. There's an access port right up here that I can attach the rope to for skiing, tubing, wakeboarding. We have infinity woven carpet under my feet. Nice, easy to keep clean, take out, clean underneath it. Of course, non-skid underneath that. On the port side, we have the port side bench. So right now it's set up in a bench configuration. We can lift this up, get the stern light pole out of the way. That stores down like that. Allows your passenger to sit forward. Moving forward, we have a lockable glove box on the port side helm, storage underneath it. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a subwoofer in there, subwoofer on the channel, and an additional amplifier. That means that this boat has the upgraded sound system. So that's 4 speakers, subwoofer, 5-channel amplifier, and of course a Fusion head unit that's AM, FM, Bluetooth. On the helm, we have the digital dash, full touchscreen from Simrad. That will give us water depth, temperature, fish finder, chart plotting, engine data, everything you need. Similar smartphone, touch it, set up multiple screens, charge ports, switches, tilt steering wheel. Very, very loaded up boat. As I come forward, we have our bow filler cushion, upgraded upholstery, and of course our anchor locker on the bow. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, we'll show it to you. It's going in the showroom later today. Thank you.